Alright, so welcome to this tutorial. In this, you are going to learn about configuring settings. Now, in configuring settings, we'll be discussing how you can sign up for Dynamics 365 trial and how you can set up environment. Now, it is very important for you to follow the step-by-step instruction when you sign up and set up environment, because I have seen this many times where students or even customers, they sign up for a trial and they can see only one app, maybe Dynamics 365 sales or customer service, but can't see all the other apps in Dynamics 365 interface. So I really want you to pay attention and follow the step-by-step process that I am going to explain you, and you will be able to access all the apps available in this particular trial. So you can register for a 30-day free trial, and you don't need to give any credit card details. All you need is an email address and a phone number, because they are going to verify whether you're a real human or it's a robot. Either use your business email, or you can even use other email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, or other. So I'll show you how you can do that step by step. And once your 30 days of trial is over, you can extend the trial by entering your credit card details in subscription. So it will again extend again for next 30 days, and you can enjoy the trial for next 30 days. Please note that Microsoft will not charge your credit card unless you want. So that's how you can extend your trial. And you can register for Dynamics 365 customer engagement by selecting any of the apps, maybe from sales, customer service, field service, and project service automation. So these are the 4 apps available in customer engagement. So let's see how we can sign up and set up the environment in Dynamics 365. So here I've opened Dynamics 365 trial page. So you can go to trials.dynamics.com. You can find the link in the resources section as well. And this is how the screen will look like. Now Microsoft may choose to change the look and feel of this particular sign up page. So you might see something different, but this is how the page looks like, where you see all the apps. You can just hover your mouse over and see what exactly this app does and what is it all about. So all 4 on the top are related to customer engagement, and then we have finance and operations app, business central, human resources, and retail. So all you need to do is you can select any one of them. So I'm just going to select sales here, scroll down. Now if you want to sign up using work email, you can do that, like something your name at yourcompanyname.com or .in or any other domain which is not the free one, right? So you can do that and enter your phone number. But in case if you don't have that and you just want to give Dynamics 365 a try using your Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail, then you definitely need to click on this link called sign up here. Okay, so are you signing up on behalf of a customer or using this trial for development purposes? If yes, then you click here. So I would highly recommend you to click here and start with the sign up process. So let's click sign up here. Then Microsoft will ask you, are you a partner or Microsoft employee? Because there is an optimized experience for you. So if you are, then you can sign in. If you want to register as a partner, you can do that. But I would highly recommend you to go ahead with the signing up process and click here. So click no, continue signing up. It will take you to a sign up page. So here's a sign up page. Now by default, you will see the country as United States. I would recommend you use the same, because Microsoft by default, whenever they release a new update or new features, it is mostly available first in United States and then in other countries based on localization. So if you really want to understand how the product works and what are the new features and how you can use it, then I would say use United States. Otherwise you can choose your own country. So I'm just going to choose United States. Now please note that once you're done, you can't change it. And based on the country you choose, you will have the URL of your environment. It will be like your organization name.crm.dynamics.com, or for example, if I'm signing up from India or I choose India as a country here, it will be my organization name.crm8.dynamics.com. So based on that, it changes. And of course, the product updates and other features may also differ in some cases. Then enter your first name here, last name. Now here your business email address. It is asking you to enter your business email address, but you can still go ahead with your Gmail or Yahoo or Hotmail. So I've entered my email and now I'm going to enter a phone number. Phone number is also important because it may ask you to verify, and then enter your company name. If you don't have a company, then you can just enter your name itself. Okay, no need to enter any fiction name, you can just use your name. In language, you can choose English. For US, only 2 languages are supported, but if you choose other country, you may see multiple languages. And organization size, you can choose based on your requirements. I'm just going to choose 1 person, click next. And now it will ask me to create the organization name or enter the company name and the username. So this will be the username that you will use to log in to Dynamics 365 environment. So I'm just going to enter that, and the company name. Now please note, if you enter a company name which is not available, you will see an error like this. It says not available Microsoft, try different name. So you will have to enter a name which is unique and not been used before. So I'm just going to use it. Now it is available, and now I need to create password and confirm the password. If you like to hear from Microsoft and from other partners, then you can just enable this checkbox and just click create my account. Now before you can continue with the process, it will ask you to verify that you are not a robot. So choose the country for which you have a phone number. So I'm just going to enter my phone number. I'm going to click text me. Now it will send a code on my mobile. So I'm just going to enter that code. I've entered the code and just click next. And now it will complete the sign up process. So you can see that the sign in URL is given, your user ID which is created that you will use to log in, and it's finalizing your sign up. So make sure you save this information, the URL for login, the email ID and the password that you have already chosen. So it's just setting up your account. Let's give it a few seconds. So now you can see the sign up is complete, and all you can do is just click on setup. So just click setup. So now you have completed the sign up process. It's time for you to set it up. So by default, you will notice that sales is selected. I would highly recommend you to select all of these. So when you complete this setup process, you will be able to see all these apps in your environment. And here you have the current currency, which is US dollars, by default selected based on the country. If you want to change the currency, you can do that. Please note that this will be the base currency of your organization, so you can't change it later. If you're not sure, just keep it as it is and just click complete setup. Now it will take some time to complete the setting up process. And once the setup is complete, you will be redirected to your Dynamics 365 environment. First time when you open this, you will see all the apps that are published. Please note that don't select the app which is mentioned as web, always select unified interface. So if you want to select Dynamics 365 sales, please select Sales Hub. If you want to work with customer service, then select Customer Service Hub. For project service automation, select Project Service. And for field service, you select Field Service Unified Interface. Okay, you may see other apps as well which you can open and see, but these are the unified interface apps which you will use to access. So let's click Sales Hub. And here you will see Dynamics 365 Sales app is open. So by default, when you're working, you will see only one app at a time. So Dynamics 365 Sales. On the left hand side, you can see all the items here, and then the area you can change. We have sales, app settings, sales insight settings, and help and support. So these are different areas and the navigation. If you want to work with Dynamics 365 customer service, you might want to click this app selector, and here you can select Customer Service Hub. So now you are in Customer Service Hub app, and here also you have different application areas: service, service management, scheduling, training. Right, so that's how you can sign up for Dynamics 365 free trial and also set up so that you see the app that you need. Please note that when you're setting up, make sure you select all the apps. Okay, there is no option to multi-select, like you can select sales and customer service, or sales and project service automation, you need to select all of these apps or just one of those. So I would recommend you to select all of these and make sure the currency is right. And once you complete the sign up process, make sure you save the credentials. So if you want to see how many apps are installed, you can go to home.dynamics.com and there you will see all the apps available. So I've opened here home.dynamics.com and here you can see all the apps available, right? So from here also you can open an app. Alright, so that's it for this video. In this video you learned about setting up and signing up for Dynamics 365 trial, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.